What's up, guys? Check out what I was able to sell on eBay today so far. So first up, sold this 4-pack of Philips Sun Care for $22.40. I bought for $3. I recently just got them too on $3 day, which was legit yesterday. Sold this anti-aging cream for $180 plus $5 shipping. I bought for $7. Crazy margin. Okay, and then next up, just listed this one as well. HP 61XL ink cartridge. I bought it yesterday for $3. Listed it this morning for $22.99 plus $2.99 shipping. Next up, this North Face. I also recently got it like last week on $7 day. Sold for $59 plus $11 shipping. And then another 4-pack Sonic Care toothbrush heads. So here's one of the items. This nice North Face Recon backpack. Bought for $7. Very nice. Ink cartridge 61XL. Next, toothbrush heads. Oh, I think I just took one over there recently. 3, 4, 5. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna head to the shipping station. Look at these big W's, guys. Big W's. Put that right there. And here's the other two. Check out this aging cream, guys. I was really surprised when I searched it up as well. So I guess look for this brand called Sisley. It's anti-aging cream, only 1.64 ounces. Very surprising. I sold it for $180. Yeah, like my brother just sold that one as well. Just listed it for $65.
I am now in harmony with the infinite riches